Jackie sis, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Jackie ain't playing this year, y'all. Watch your edges. Watch your edges. Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a very special video. I'm so excited to film this. My package literally just came in the mail an hour ago, but it is my Artist Couture x Jackie Aina review of the La Peach or whatever. It's right here, it just came in the mail, and I'm going to be doing giving you guys a review, first impressions kind of thing. I did my whole face except highlighter. I look so weird with like a matte face, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing this kind of review, first impressions for you guys, telling you how I like it. And I know I'm really sick, I sound terrible, I have been sick for the past few days, but this literally just came in and I was like, I have to do it. Everyone's been, you know, raving about this highlighter, so I have to make a video on it. But yeah, I'm so sorry if I sound like clammy or sick, because I am, or congested, or all of the above. But yeah, hopefully I'll be feeling better soon, so pray for me down in the comments, leave some hearts and some prayers and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to be trying this on, opening it up for the first time, and without further ado, let's just get on with the review. Shit. Okay, so it came in this beautiful black packaging. You guys don't really care about that, but I'm going to be cutting it open for y'all. Okay, look, Jackie. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, look at my auntie Jackie though. Look at her. Shining, yeah. Oh my gosh, Jackie looks so beautiful. Like, she is literally a glowing goddess. Mama Jackie, Auntie Jackie. I'm gonna literally hang this up in my room somewhere by my vanity. It's so cute. I absolutely love Jackie, y'all. Goddess, a goddess. But yeah, besides the little card in there that it came with, obviously your packing slip and whatnot, the little card with Jackie's face on it, and then I just got La Peach. I didn't get the whole collection because number one, I wasn't trying to spend all my coins, and number two, La Bronze is a little bit too dark as a highlighter for me, and I already have a lot of bronzy kind of eyeshadow, so I was like, I might skip on that for later. But I did miss out on getting the pretty bag, but it's whatever. But it comes in this really pretty like pinky peachy-ish rose gold packaging. You guys have seen this everywhere, I'm pretty sure. Super cute, has her initials on it with the Artist Couture and everything. Super duper cute. And then once you open it up, it comes in the standard Artist Couture packaging. Let me compare it to another Artist Couture highlighter. This one is, so this one right here is Sugar Daddy. So it's the same size as a regular Artist Couture highlighter and everything. And this one obviously is La Peach. So let me just show y'all up close. So this is what the packaging looks like up close. Super duper cute in a rose gold packaging with her initials on it and everything. And then when you turn it around, it says La Peach. But yeah, without rambling on, I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and try on this baby. I think I'm gonna try on with my trusty Real Techniques setting brush. I love this for highlighting, y'all. It's a box, so I'm gonna do one side of my face without any Fix Plus, water, anything, and the other side I'm gonna put some Fix Plus on it just so you guys can see. I have no highlighter on, as you can see, so I'm gonna put it on my face first, and then I'm gonna like apply it to my nose, inner corner, brow bone, and whatnot. So let's just get on to applying. Zoom y'all in real quick. Alright, up close and personal, I'm just wiping off my brush just so there's nothing left on it from my previous application. And now I'm gonna open it up, y'all. I'm so excited for this. Like, literally, I'm literally Auntie Jackie. If this doesn't take my breath away, then something ain't right. Sorry, the plastic cover is the hardest part to take off. I'm just gonna put the cap back on and shake it a little bit so some product comes out the top. Oh shit, a little bit too much came out. That's okay, beware of shaking it too much because a lot of product did come out. But I'm just gonna use what's in the cap, and with Artist Couture highlighters, you really don't need that much at all because it's so blinding. So I'm just gonna turn to the side so y'all can see the side profile of this highlight, dipping it in from what's in the cap, not that much, and tapping off the excess because this shit is powerful. All right, y'all, who's ready to be blinded? Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? Jackie, we're gonna have to talk. Oh no, she did not. Jackie did not. Jackie, Angel, we're gonna have to have a talk because this shit, oh god. Okay, y'all, I'm not even trying to sound over dramatic, but y'all know how I am about highlighters. This is one of the prettiest highlighters I've ever seen. Not just saying that because I stan Jackie, because I love her so much, but no, this highlighter, OMG, like, I don't, Fix Plus who? Oh my goodness, y'all, this is such a pretty color. It's such a pretty nice rose goldy kind of color. It's a true like rose gold. Like, just look at that glow, y'all. Okay, so 10 out of 10 so far. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so as you can see, that Le Peach color is super beautiful. I absolutely love that. So now I'm going to be spraying my brush with a little bit of, let's see, rose water, and just seeing how it turns out, because it will obviously be a lot more blinding. But I'm just going to be spraying my brush a few times with some rose water and then applying it to the other side of my face. Oh my goodness, Jackie, come on now, sis. Y'all, this highlight ain't no joke. Like, I love highlighters with Fix Plus. I mean, you don't need it, but I like it better. Like, this is with Fix Plus. This is without. It's a more subtle glow. But when you add Fix Plus, y'all, this highlight, y'all, it's on a whole nother level. Like, I'm speechless. Look at that, you guys. Like, obviously I have to blend it out, but like, look at this. Come on now. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, beautiful, y'all. Okay, so obviously Fix Plus, or with rose water, stole the show. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit more with the rose water on the other side of my face, just to even it out, and then applying some on the nose. A little bit to the forehead and the temples, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. And then just blending it all out as usual. And then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush, just an eyeshadow brush, and taking a little bit more rose water, spraying my brush and putting it in my inner corners as well as my brow bone. What the heck? This is literally stunning, Jackie. A++. Okay, y'all, so coming in a little bit close, I want to show you guys what it looks like. This is a beautiful highlight. I absolutely love it, y'all. Super duper pretty everywhere, honestly. Beautiful, amazing. I literally don't have any highlighters like this, so I'm super glad I picked this up. It's so pretty. I love it. Like, I literally have nothing better to say about it. Like, literally nothing. But yeah, you guys, this was a really short video, but basically I just wanted to show you guys how my package came, what it looks like, and how it performed. So overall, this is literally like a 10 out of 10, a 20 out of 10. I absolutely recommend this highlighter. It does retail for $28 on their website, but I believe with tax and shipping comes out to $36 or something like that. I will leave a direct link to it down below if you want to get it. But again, this is Le Peach. It's super pretty, y'all. I literally put it everywhere, and I don't have any highlighters like this with this shade or tone or anything, so I'm super duper glad I picked it out. I'm so proud of Jackie and the Artist Couture team, and Angel. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys did an amazing job on this collaboration, so congratulations to all of you guys. But again, this is a 20 out of 10 highlighter. Pick it up. I will leave a link down below, and you know, we could be, you know, Le Peachin' together. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I love you all so much. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 2K, and I'm so happy, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to be notified every time I post. Also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. You know what I have. They will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys!
When you put the work in, man, it shows. Straight up out the ashes and I rose. Man, I done hit an all-time low. Been at a standstill and had to go.